price of the coat is $500. Price of the coat is to be reduced by $150. By what percent is the price to be reduced? Let's go on the side of our paper and think about this. Let's keep the cost of the coat is $500, but let's say it is reduced by $250. Well, what percent has it reduced it by? You can just tell by looking that it's been reduced by 50%. But how do you get that 50%? You take $250 and divide it by 500. You want to figure out what percent is what percent of 250 is out of the 500. And if you cross those zeros off, 5 will go into 25 5 times, and 5 will go into 50 10 times, 5 tenths, which is 0.5, but you want it in percent format, so you'd multiply it by 100, which moves it 2 decimals to the right, and you get 50%. So that's how we got that using math. So in this problem, we want to say 150 divided by 500, divide each one by 10, which is going to cancel those zeros. 5 will go into 15 3 times. 5 will go into 50 10 times. That's 3 tenths, but multiply it by 100, which moves the decimal 2 places to the right, because you want to change the decimal form to percent form, and that would be 30%. So your answer is E.